income tax due dates are approaching, are you wondering how you can file your income tax return and simplify it? Well, Form 16 and Form 26AS come to the picture. Hello everyone, this is CA Nidhi Kohli and today I am going to discuss all about Form 16 and Form 26AS, its components, its uses, and how you can check your TDS and income details from 26AS and Form 16. But before starting, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Let's get started. It is a salary certificate that contains detailed information about the employee salary and TDS deducted by the employer during the financial year. As income tax law requires the employers to deduct the TDS of the employees whose salaries are more than the basic exemption limit during the financial year. So, it is a liability of the employer to deduct the TDS of those employees whose income exceeds the basic exemption limit after taking the deductions and other information from the employee. So, employer asks for the investment and other deductions that you are claiming, and you need to inform the employer the correct details about the same so that your correct TDS would be deducted by the employer during the financial year. After payment of your TDS on behalf of to the government by the employer need to furnish a statement in which details of your salary, allowance, perquisites, investments, deductions and other related details are provided by the employer to the government in his TDS returns that has been submitted by the employer. Form 16 contains two parts. One is Part A, second is Part B. Part A contains summary information of the employer and the employee, like PAN of the employer and employee, names and their addresses, certificate number, TAN of the employee, income of the employee, summarized income on the quarterly basis, and the TDS and other information. And Part B contains the details of the breakup of salary of the employee, like basic salary, value of perquisites, exemptions, deductions, 10A income which is exempt, and deductions. If you have income from house property and you have informed the employer, then that can also be reflected in the Form 16. And if you have any investment in ATC, ATD, that is health insurance, LIC, PPF, etc., that can also be informed to the employer, and employer can show the same, and afterwards he can deduct your TDS and deposit the same to the government. So it is the duty of the employee to give correct information to the employer, but if you forget to give your correct details about the investment, or you forget to give any additional details about the investment that you have done during the financial year, you can also claim the same while filing your ITR at the end of the financial year. If you have changed your job during the financial year, then you need to take your Form 16 from all the employers who have deducted your TDS. And if you have not give correct information about your other income like interest, business income, capital gain and other incomes, so you need to mention all of your income along with the TDS that has been paid by your employer, or your TDS has been deducted at different sources of income. Balance tax needs to be payable at the time of filing of your ITR. So, if we talk about Form 26AS, it is an income credit statement in which your TDS, that is tax deduction at source, tax collection at source, high value transactions, your income detail on which TDS or TCS has been deducted by the different deductors, your high value transactions, refund amount that you have been received during that financial year, regular assessment tax paid or tax paid during the financial year. These are the details that contains in Form 26AS, which you need to give information in your ITR. However, before this year, it is not been auto-populated, but from this year, you need to only upload the same data, import the same in your ITR. So previously it is required to download your 26AS and check your income and TDS, but from this year it will be imported in the ITR. So hope you like the video and hope this video is very helpful and now you understand the concept of Form 26AS and Form 16. If you have any query, then feel free to get in touch with us, and thank you for watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.